Hello, in that small video I'll show how our OBD tune model for Mercedes-Benz works. That small one, and currently we have here E63 AMG, which is power 585 horsepower, production year 2014, and now we're gonna tune it to the 6 to 5 horsepower with simple OBD plug. So let's start. First, I turn ignition to the position 2. Already it's on. And now I'm gonna plug this to the OBD diagnostic. And then we will observe to the command screen messages. So now it's plugged. Let's observe the command screen. There are two presets. This is possible. I'm changing the presets with the button. And this is first preset. The second one is a factory set. So anytime in 2 minutes you can revert to the factory firmware. For sure, now we try this one. And I selected this one with that two buttons. And now I confirm it with start button. I'm pressing now. It is started. Okay, there are several messages at the instrument cluster. This is normal, as the motor control unit is under flash now. And there we have lane keeping assist problem, but this doesn't matter for that case. So it is about 20% already, near 2 minutes. And that control unit is very fast. Again, you don't need to open the motor control unit. You don't need to go to the tuner's shop. Just simple OBD plug, and you have totally new firmware, which is increase the power of your car in 2 minutes. No cables, no laptops, just simple OBD2 plug. So near the end, now it will ask to switch the ignition off. Okay, I'm switch it off. I'm switching it on, back on. Okay, successfully finished. Now we're gonna remove the plug. I keep it for the next time. So it is ready. Now let's start motor. Okay, motor started. And you see now 6 to 5 horsepower. So thanks for watching. Hope you like it. Good luck.